Hello everyone. In continuation with our quantitative aptitude, next we will see how do we interpret from given data. Here a table of data is given in the form of a tabulation. Then subsequently some questions are asked. We need to identify which is the correct one. So here the number of candidates who appeared and qualified in a competitive examination from different states over the years given below. Study the same and answer the questions based on that. Right? So here they gave us some 5 states, M, N, P, Q, R. These are the 5 states. Then they gave data for about 5 years, that is 1997, 1998, 1999, 2000 and 2001. In each year, they gave us how many candidates appeared for the examination, how many got qualified in that examination. Like that for every year, they gave you individually, state-wise they gave. Now, let us go to the first question. The total number of candidates qualified from all the states together in 1997 is approximately what percentage of the total number of candidates qualified from all the states together in 1998? So that we have to find. So here they are talking about 1997. Now, qualified candidates in all the states from 1997. So which means, so here qualified candidates, here we have number of candidates qualified all states year 1997. That means we are supposed to add this 720 plus 840 plus 780 plus 950 plus 870. If we do that, we will get 4160. Then number of candidates qualified, that is all states together, in the year 1998. We need to identify that. That is 980 plus 1050 plus 1020, 1240 plus 940. If we add these 5 numbers, we get 5230. So, sorry. Hence, the required percentage is 4160 divided by 5230 multiplied by 100. If we calculate, we get approximately 80%. So that means option C is the right option. So let us move on to the next question. What is the average number of candidates who appeared from state Q during the given years? We need to focus on appeared. They are saying appeared, and then they also say state Q. So here we need to look into state Q appeared numbers, that is 8,100. So 8,100 plus 9500 plus 8700 plus 9700 plus 8950. Let us add those. Number of candidates appeared from state Q is equal to, let us add those, 8,100 plus 9,500 plus 8700 plus next appeared number is 9700 8950. 9700 plus 8950. So we need to add this, and since we need average, we need to divide it by the number of values. Number of values are 5 values. So I can directly write here average number of candidates. Rather than putting number of candidates, I will say average number of candidates. So this one divided by 5 values. If we do that, we will get the answer as 8990, which means option C is the right option. Now let us move on to the next question. Question 3. In which of the given years the number of candidates appeared from state P has maximum percentage of qualified candidates? So that means we need to check for each year. For year 1997, percentage of qualified candidates. Then we need to do it for all the years: 1998, 1999, 2000, 2001. First for 1997, let us go there. Here it is let's say here for state P, from state P. So I need to focus on state P only. That is, let me remove this. We need to focus on state P. That means 780 by 6,400 for 1997, 1020 by 8,800 for 1998, 890 by 7,800 for 1999, 1010 divided by 8750 for 2000, 1250 divided by 9750 for 2001. So that is what we have to calculate. Let us do that. For 1997, it is 780 divided by 6,400 multiplied by 100. If we calculate, we get 12.2%. Then for 1998, it will be 1020 divided by 8,800 multiplied by 100. We will get 11.6 the percentage. Next one, 890 divided by 7,800. So the first number what I'm writing is qualified candidates. The second number is appeared number of candidates multiplied in that particular year, in that particular state, is equal to 11.4%. For 2000, it will be 1010, that is qualified candidates. Appeared candidates is 9750 in state P into 100. You get 10.4 the percentage. For 2001 in state P, qualified candidates is 1250. Appeared candidates is, let me recheck that. This is 8750. This is 8750, not 97. Then last one, 1250, 9750. 780, 6400, we wrote it correctly. 1020, 8800, we wrote it. 890, 7800. Only this we made a mistake. So instead of 9750, it should be 8750. And the last one is 1250 divided by 9750. 9750 into 100. Let me check the percentage for the year 2000 once again. One zero divided by 8750 into into 100, it should be 11.5. Eight zero zero divided by 8750. Yeah, 11.5. The last one is 12.8. So among all this, we have been asked the maximum percentage, which means year is 2001. So option D is the right option. Let us move on to the next one. What is the percentage of candidates qualified from state N for all the years together over the candidates appeared from state N during all the years together? Means it is about state N. So total qualified candidates from state N all years will be, we need to add the qualified candidates from that. So here state N. So let me remove this. We need to focus now on state N. That is the second row. Qualified candidates means 840, 1050, 920, 980, 1020. That is what we have to write. All years will be 840 plus 1050 plus 920 plus 980 plus 1020. If we add all this, we get 4810. Then we need to compare this with total appeared from state N. All years. Again, we need to check how much is the quantity for appeared in state N. Here, 7,500, 9,200, 8,450, 9,200, 8,800. We need to add that. So 7,500 plus 9,200 plus 8,450 plus 9,200 plus 8,800. Total becomes 43,150. Therefore, the required percentage, what is being asked here, will become 4,810 divided by 43,150 multiplied by 100. So if we calculate, we will get 11.15 the percentage. So that means option D is the right option. Now, I think this is the last question. Question number 5. The percentage of total number of qualified candidates to the total number of appeared candidates among all the states in 1999. Means the focus is on the year 1999. So qualified candidates, all states in 1999, we need to add that. Then appeared candidates, all states in 1999. Let us go back to 1999 and add those numbers. Qualified, if we add that 850 plus 920 plus 890 plus 980 plus 1350, we get 4990. Let me write that, 4990. Rewrite. Now, appeared candidates, all states in 1999. Let us check. 7400 plus 8450 plus 7800 plus 8700 plus 9800. We get 42150. Let me write that. 42,150. So therefore, the required percentage, what is being asked in this question, will be 4990 divided by 42150 multiplied by 100. So that if we calculate this, we will get 11.84%, which means option B is the right option.